की मशहूर एक्ट्रेस हिना खान इस वक्त मुश्किल दौर से गुजर रही हैं। बीते साल हिना को पता चला कि वे ब्रेस्ट कैंसर से डायग्नोज्ड है, लेकिन एक्ट्रेस ने कभी भी हिम्मत नहीं हारी। हिना की हिम्मत और साहस के लिए उनके फैंस हर वक्त उनकी तारीफ करते हैं। उन्होंने अपने आप को कैंसर में भी नहीं रुकने दिया। एक्ट्रेस लगातार काम करती हैं और कई दफा सेट पर भी नजर आती हैं। लेकिन इसी बीच अब हिना का एक ऐसा वीडियो सामने आया है जिसे देखकर आप भी इमोशनल हो जाएंगे। दरअसल हाल ही में वर्ल्ड कैंसर डे के मौके पर हिना खान एक इवेंट में पहुंची, जहां अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बात करते हुए हिना थोड़ी सी इमोशनल हो गई और स्पीच के बीच में ही वो रो पड़ी। वहीं सोशल मीडिया पर अब उनका यह वीडियो खूब वायरल हो रहा है। तो चलिए आपको भी दिखाते हैं हिना का ये वायरल वीडियो।
सोनाली व्हेन शी सेड कि हाँ ठीक है ना, टेस्ट हो गया, क्या ठीक था ना, देखो डॉक्टर ने ऐसे ही टेस्ट कराया। आपको नहीं अंदाजा है कि वो कितनी बड़ी खुशी है कि आपके टेस्ट में कुछ नहीं आया। us how hard it is, I'm so sorry, कितना हार्ड है वो रिपोर्ट पढ़ना, वो घंटे when you get that report and you go to your doctor and the doctor diagnoses you with certain things. उससे बेटर है, पैसे वेस्ट हो रहे हैं, आपका टेस्ट हो रहा है, आप बिल्कुल ठीक है, इससे बड़ी खुशी कोई नहीं है। पैसा वेस्ट नहीं हुआ है। So I decided मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, what can I do in this journey? किसी ने मुझे बोला कि this happened to you because God wanted you to use this proverbial megaphone in my capacity, जितने भी लोगों को मैं इंस्पायर कर सकती हूँ, which is why you got this. This is one way to look at it, and I want to look at it like that. Probably my journey can help someone, inspire someone. So I thought, okay, let me normalize it. Let me start talking about it. Let me tell people how I dealt with it, or how am I dealing with it. What am I doing? What am I eating? I'm still dealing with it. My treatment is still on. I will talk about it बहुत 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 विस्तार से, लेकिन सही वक्त पे। फिलहाल मेरे कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। So when I was diagnosed, I kept on thinking कि how do I inspire people? क्या करूँ? People who are already suffering and people who don't talk about it, who don't even talk about it because of the fear. So what do I tell them? Do I only tell them about hardships and pain? So how am I spreading the awareness? I'm not, because nobody is going to listen to me. Nobody wants to listen to pain. Nobody wants to listen to hardships. People want to listen to the brighter side. So let me pick up strength. क्योंकि है, if there are good days, if there are bad days, there are good days too, and a lot of them. सबसे पहले मैं आप सबको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि कैंसर इज सर्वाइवेबल, और आज के टाइम में इट्स मोर सर्वाइवेबल एवरी डे एज टाइम गोज ऑन. वी हैव बेटर infrastructure, medical infrastructure, better testing, like doctor also said. We are doing good. I got treated here. I said, okay, fine, I have to travel. I'm going to Sloan Kettering or probably MD Anderson. मैं कुछ भी कर लूँगी. I have to go. I'm not going to get myself treated here. But then I spoke to a lot of people who said, हमारे हिंदुस्तान में सब कुछ है. We have best of the best doctors, the best of the best treatment, and जो मुझे समझ में आया है मेरी जर्नी में, the line of treatment for any diagnosis is exactly same worldwide. You will be given the same medicine in America as well, what you will be given here. कुछ अलग नहीं है. तो decided I'll do it here in India. I'll do it in Mumbai. We have the best of the doctors. And trust me, I'm not saying this because I'm an actor, I'm a public figure, or या फिर मेरे पास resources थे, yeah, I can afford it. No. I have been to so many hospitals, Tata Memorial Hospital, so many times to meet doctors, where I interacted with a lot of patients. A lot of them. They narrated their stories. Kaise hua, kya hua. You know, some of them, please listen to this, please. Some of them come from different parts of the country, take their chemo infusion, sleep on the footpath, next day catch the train or a bus and go back to their places and work. They don't rest. They work because they have a family to run. And after 21 days, they are back for their next chemo infusion. And you know what's the best part? They heal. They recover. They are completely cured. So I took inspiration from such heroes. And I decided that I am going to put my mind, my soul, energy, power into the right direction. And if you do so, we can do the unthinkable. Trust me. I don't want to be bitter. I decided that I am not going to be bitter in this journey. I am only and only going to choose love. And trust me, love can heal the world. Love has the power to heal everything around you. Of course, apart from the treatment. The right state of mind plays a very important part. A very, very crucial part in this journey. It's a very, very long journey. The right frame of mind, your mental health plays a very, very, very important part. I remember when I started, I was too scared to even look. You know, when they used to, आप सबको पता ही होगा जब हम कीमो लगने वाला होता है तो आइस बॉक्स में एक चीज़ आती है जिससे आप बहुत डरते हैं. I used to like look away. I remember मेरे 2 chemo infusions में I just used to look away and I just did कर दो please. I just don't want to even look at it. But I realized after my 2 cycles, I realized कि what am I doing? If I have to love everything around, then I have to love and bless my treatment as well. And then I decided, कि Hina, you're not going to look away. Look at that vial. That vial, that chemo is healing you. So bless that chemo. Bless it. My doctors tell me that human body is miraculous. And I believe him. As I said, apart from treatment, our bodies have a secret register. I truly, truly, completely believe in it. That we have a secret register. If we do positive things, think positively, do everything in a positive manner, no matter what the situation is, how the situation is, the good cells in our body, trust me, the good cells in our body, they listen to us. I believe that this positivity somehow reaches to our good cells and they do a much, much better job in eradicating those harmful and bad cells from our body. So positivity makes a lot of difference. And mental health, good mental health, makes a lot of difference. So give your body all the love it deserves. And trust me, your body will give you that love back. I know some days are bad. Worst. Just push through those days for those few good ones and live those good days with the best of your ability. Do what you want to do, whatever your body allows. In my chemo journey, I did everything, whatever my body and my doctors allowed me to do. Everything. If some of you follow me, you must have seen I was very active in my journey because to each his own, everybody is different, but I could. So I did. Because I felt good when I traveled, when I did a lot of things.